Hello, this is cjhoyle, and welcome to another exciting edition of the game that I like to call Guess Which City cjhoyle is currently in. The way that this game works is that right now I'm riding a bicycle in some city or community around the world, and I want you, my viewers, to use the comment section of this video to make a guess as to which location you think that I'm currently in. I will not be responding to comments in this video, but I would like you to provide your guesses there in the comments. And the way that I will reveal the answer is that the next video that I will post will be a narrated bike riding tour around this place. One detail that I'll sort of give you as I pan the camera over to my right here is that I'm filming this on the 2nd of June, 2023. So it's, technically it's the sort of the end of the spring. Summer is just around the corner. We've got a nice sunny day here where I'm riding, but I will give you another hint and tell you that right now I'm wearing some winter gloves and a toque. A toque being a sort of knitted wool hat, if you're not familiar with that term. Some more details I'll give you is that if you're not familiar with my videos, I am based in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. But of course, that's not where I am today. So I may be somewhere in Canada, but I may also be in some other country as well. We're just sort of approaching the downtown area of this city or community that I'm currently in, which is probably a good place for me to wrap things up. But anyway, hope you enjoyed joining me. Don't forget to leave your guess below, even if you're not even sure. I'd love to hear where you think this is. And thanks for watching.